Hello everyone, welcome to Crack Lacquer Nail Studio. I'm going to be doing a review on the Young Nails Ultimate Pro Nail Kit. This kit has so much stuff, and I'm going to show you everything that's in it, starting with these files. It's got a 100 grit file, a 150 grit file, 180 grit file, a 240 grit file, and a 180 fine grit buffer. It also came with this very nice acrylic nail brush, an eyedropper, a dapping dish. It's got some really nice forms. I believe there's 100. And it's got a 50 pack of clear tips and a 50 pack of natural nail tips. Most kits usually come with just clear tips, so it's really nice to have a couple of choices. But there is more, so hold on. It also comes with a nice sized rose cuticle oil, not one, but two 6-ounce bottles of nail liquid, also known as Monomer. Two, that's great. An 8-ounce swipe solution, and a very large nail glue, and a 10 mil Young Nails No Wipe Top Coat. Oh, wait, we're still not done. So we also have 4 different acrylic powders, and these are 45 grams. There's a natural pink, it's called a cover pink, and a white, and a very glittery cover blush, and a clear. It also comes with their Slick Pour, which is a dipping powder. And this one is called Flash and Burn. And it's very glittery, but it's not chunky. It's very light and elegant. And this one here is called Kitty Blitz. And it is full of glitter. It's just beautiful. I'm going to start out by using the white to make a rose. That's one of the important things when I'm doing nails, is what the white is. And I'm going to be using this beautiful kind of a taupey color from Petals just for a background. I'll be putting 2 coats of this on. I do want to check out Young Nails and see if they have a gel color like this. I've looked at some, but that's next on my list, is to get some good gel polishes from them. So 2 coats, and I'm ready to put the rose on. But first, I'm going to use the cover blush. The one that has the little glitters in it, to make a little design to go along with the rose. It's going to be kind of an elegant looking nail. So getting used to using another acrylic and a monomer and a brush all at the same time is no easy task. But as you can see, it's actually coming along quite well already. I love the consistency of their liquid and powder ratio. It's a no-brainer. You don't even have to try. Okay, so there's my little design. So now I'm going to use that cute little brush there. It's in the description box. There's a link. I can't remember the brand right offhand, but I love it. So I call this little method the dab and stab. After I get the liquid on the nail brush, I dab it on the paper towel first, and then I basically stab it into the acrylic powder. And doing that, it helps. I don't know. It does something. It helps keep it smooth. It helps it not be too wet. For other designs where I need it to be a little on the dry side, I also bleed the bead out. But doing the dab and stab routine really helps out a lot, and you don't have to really bleed it out if you don't need to, if you don't want to. So I'm going to start with these petals, and very simple. This white is amazing. It's very smooth, very, very easy to work with. I'm really, really happy with this so far. I have my favorites. I have my favorite acrylics, like everybody does, my favorite gels, my favorite products. If I can fall in love with the gels as much as I'm totally falling in love with these acrylic powders so far, I think I'm going to continue buying this product. Finishing the petals, I'm going to continue with the roses, still doing the dab and stab. When I get to the middle, that's when I'm going to have to bleed it a little more, because I like to do the middle of my roses a certain way. They need to be a bit drier. But look how easy this white is. I'm digging this. This is very, so far, very, very good product. Look how easy. Look at that. It doesn't crack. I've worked with some white powders when I try to make a rose. No matter how dry, how wet, no matter what I do, it cracks at the edges. It splits, and then you have to fix it. And sometimes it doesn't fix very well. So I finished my rose. See that little swirl I put in there? That's where I need the drier bead. But now I'm going to be putting the clear on. So I start with a really, really wet bead of clear. And that is because I can push it into the cracks and crevices and prevent bubbles. If I want bubbles, I will make bubbles. But when I'm doing a design like this, I just don't want that. Once you've filled in those little areas, then you can use the bigger, drier beads to finish encapsulating your design. Okay, so I've finished the clear. I'm doing these a little bit quickly. Sorry about that, but I've got 3 different nail designs and trying to keep the video a little on the shorter side. But I'm working with what is important to me, and you'll see what that is, so bear with me. I'm putting the no wipe top coat on. This is a very nude nail, and that cover blush really, really helped keep it on the nude side. It's not too bright. You can see it. It just looks like it's going to go with pretty much anything. I mean, the glitter, has different colors, so you can match it with pretty much anything, I'm sure. I'm going to put a little bit of bling on here. I don't like to use tons of bling. If there's a beautiful nail design, I kind of want it to be the focus, but I put my little accents on these nails. So there's that one. It was so easy. The product is so easy. I can't say that enough about this product. So now I'm going to kind of quickly again design my next nail, and I am going to make a nail plate with the Cover Pink. Look how light that is. It's just beautiful. So this one ended up being a little on the dry side. I was kind of worried about it, that I might have to start over, which totally my fault. But as you can see, it's workable. So that's good. On this nail, I wanted to do a clear to see just how clear this acrylic is. And I'm going to use the No Wipe top coat and dip it into the Kitty Blitz. It's really cute. I really wanted to have an excuse to use that, so this is a perfect time. Those of you who like to use dipping powders, I don't usually use them. I'm going to use these because of how wonderful they are. But if you are looking for a really good dipping powder, as far as I'm concerned, this one is awesome. I covered the glitter first. You dust that off, but sometimes they still move around. It's kind of fun now and then to get a little bit of glitter in. Surprising, it just kind of shows up. But I didn't want that to happen with this nail. I'm testing this to see how clear. Clear is a big deal to me. I'm really excited to see how clear this is going to turn out. I just have a feeling I'm going to be pleasantly surprised. I'm going to do the top coat, and then of course I'm going to be adding some bling. Okay, I'm still not showing you. I'm going to wait until after I get the gems on before I actually show you, because I'm going to take it off the stand. So there's those little double-sided glue tabs in between the nail and the stand that doesn't look very good. Doesn't show off how beautiful and clear this product is. Okay, look at this. Look how clear this is. This is a big deal to me. I love doing floating things. It's just amazing. It's like a magnifying glass. It's pretty cool. I'm happy with that. Next nail is going to see how easy it is using this product to make a baby boomer. I love the brush. The only problem I have with the brush is I like to use a bigger brush. This one's a little small, so we all have our favorites. I like to use the small brushes just for 3D art. That's about it, or maybe fine details and things like that. If I have a small area, I want to use a smaller brush, of course. But when I'm doing a baby boomer or an ombre, I like a bigger brush. I think it helps make things a little smoother. But this brush is awesome, and I actually didn't have that much of a problem just picking up big enough beads. I guess is my issue with it. I've seen people use these smaller brushes and pick up these amazingly huge beads, but you know, when I try to do that, I lose it in the acrylic container. So I don't dare try that. But now look how easy this is to work with. Dab it to the side, pull it down. That's it. Even with a small brush, I'm pretty impressed with that. A lot of people do struggle with ombres, but this technique that I've developed, I mean, even using this smaller brush, it just was a dream. I just realized that I haven't talked about the monomer yet. It actually smells very pleasant. It's not very strong or overpowering. Okay, now we're going to do the cover blush, which has the glitter. I'm going to start it right where those two colors meet. I think it will help that blend in. It's blended very well. I'm happy with how it did, but this will just put a little added blending into it, and then you drag. I mean, if you want it just to be plain white down at the free edge of this, then don't put it right there. You can just start it at the top and kind of graduate it towards the free edge, but I like it to be glittery the whole way. So all right, I'm going to put some clear on so that when I file, it's not going to take away the glitter and the beauty of this. Okay, we're ready for the no wipe top coat. So far, I love their top coat. It's nice and thick. Goes on very easily. Very smooth. Comes out extremely shiny. I love a high shine on nails. And of course, we're going to put some bling on here. I'm not going to put too much on this one. I love the baby boomer ombre look. I think it's very elegant, very classy. Bling is fun. Like I said, you know, I don't like to put a lot. I'm just going to put just a few pieces on here. There you go. That's pretty. Very pretty. I love it. I love this product. It's great. I have no problems. Well done, young nails. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe.